Corpbiz.
Hello everyone, my name is Divya Dikshit and you're watching Corpbiz. Today in this video, we are going to talk about the retail drug license. What is a drug license? What is a retail drug license? The classification of drug license. What are the documents that is important and that is must to be submitted if you want to obtain a retail drug license? And at last, we will be talking about the procedure and infrastructure requirement if you are planning to open a medical shop. So let's begin the video. Drug license is the permission granted to all the people who are doing the business of drug. Means obtaining a drug license is mandatory to all the retailers who are indulged in the business activity of drug and cosmetic in India under the Drug and Cosmetic Act 1940. Look, all these provisions are applicable in every state and region of India. Suppose if a businessman has more than one drug retail shop in more than 2 states, then for each and every state he has to take a single drug license to continue his business forward. And the businessman has to follow all the rules and regulations that comes under this act. Classification of drug license. So now we will be talking about the classification of drug license, means how many type of drug license are there and what they actually mean. Manufacturing license. All the manufacture of allopathic, Ayurvedic, Unani and medicine, means covering all sort of medicine. These comes under the Drug and Cosmetic Act 1940. And if we talk about the particular manufacturing license, then this license is issued by the state government where the unit is installed. Loan drug license. The manufacturer of the drug who don't possess his own land but he is willing to manufacture his brand name on the land on which the license has been already issued. Sale drug license. Sale drug license is acquired by the entity engaged in whether wholesale or retail business for distribution of drug in India. It further classified in retail drug license and wholesale drug license. Multi-drug license. Multi-drug license is acquired by the entity operating in more than one state and having multiple units. Import drug license. Any dealer importing in the product of manufacturing drug or he is engaged or indulged in the business of importing of drug in India has to obtain this license. Documents required to obtain retail drug license. So now we will be covering the documents part, means the document that you will be requiring at the time if you are going to obtain the retail drug license. Constitution of the firm, memorandum of association or article of association, ID proof of partner, proprietor, director. If you own a property, then a copy of property paper. In case of rented property, a copy of rent agreement, site plan and key plan of the premise, refrigerator invoice detail, affidavit regarding compliance of MPD 2021 if the premise are situated on DDA residential flat plot building. Additional document for retail sale registered pharmacist, proof of qualification, registration of local pharmacy council, appointment letter. Documents of shareholder directors. If directors own the property, then the registered sale deed, registered GPA, conveyance deed in the name of the owner. In the case of unregistered sale deed, unregistered GPA, make sure to submit electricity bill, water bill, property tax receipt. In case of village, Khasra Khatuni document are accepted. Rent agreement in case of rented property along with the rent receipt. No objection certificate from the owner of the premises. Key plan and site plan of the area duly attested by the map maker of the municipality. List of document retailer need at the time of obtaining drug license, proof of qualification, registration of local pharmacy council and appointment letter. After covering the document part, it's time for the registration process if you are going to obtain a drug license. Documentation. This is the first and foremost step which is important for obtaining a drug license. In this, the applicants need to collect his all documents, which also include the key plan, the site plan, along with the affidavit and declaration. Application filing. After the document collection, it's time for the application filing, which can be done online. For that, you have to upload your documents and your photos, and after that, the drug inspector will inspect and verify your documents. inspector visit. In this step, the drug inspector will personally visit your shop and check all the documents that you provided is authentic or not. Grant of license. Once the inspection is done and the drug inspector is satisfied with all the documents and information that you provided to him, and after that the drug inspector means the drug controller will issue the drug license to you. Infrastructure requirement. In order to obtain a drug license, you are planning to have an independent shop, then the area section must be clear to you. It should be of 10 square meter, and in certain cases the area must be of 15 square meter. So this was enough for the retail drug license, and in future if you are planning to obtain a retail drug license, then you can connect to Corpbiz, because our service include, we provide a legal guidance to you regarding the whole procedure, which will make you comfortable and happy.